Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Munchkin Arm Hammer Diaper Pail Snap, Seal, and Toss Refill Bags. Hold 600 diapers, 20 count. They are easy to install, and hold a good amount of diapers in each one. These are so great at containing smell, and easy to switch in and out of our diaper pail. Only one bag has come loose from the ring at the top on me, and even that wasn't a big deal. They hold a lot of diapers, and the bag snaps shut when you remove it from the pail. Like that they are scented, like that the new boxes are smaller than the old ones. A bit pricey for what it is, but they definitely mask the smell of dirty diapers. And the top of the bag snaps together, which is convenient for tossing in the garbage. For those of you that had the smaller, or older Munchkin pail that took the blue bags, these are the same thing. These hold the smell from the diaper pail. You would never know there are 20 dirty diapers in the room. These diaper pail bags do a decent job of containing the odor and mess, but the 30 diapers per bag that is advertised on the package is a wild stretch. They work very well for containing smells, and are super easy to remove and dispose of. However, the other type of refill seems like it holds the dirty diaper smell in better, but there is more work involved in them. The snap close feature is super nice, and helps contain the smell from the diapers. It fits in easily, and when you are done and emptying it, the ring folds in half, and snaps together to fully seal the bag. No tying required. The bag has decent strength, but it can tear if you carry it by the hard plastic at the top if it is very full after removal. Does an amazing job hiding the horrible stench that can come from a diaper pail. The light lavender smell is not overwhelming at all. The plastic bag is thick, and easily able to hold a good amount of diapers without ripping when taking the bag to the outside track. From a mom with multiple kids, this is the best diaper pail bag out there. There is never any diaper smell in their rooms, and the bags are so much easier to change than the roll-style diaper pails. On occasion, there might be a small tear around the plastic ring when you remove a full one. These bags snap closed at the top so one can throw them away as is. Like the convenience of being able to snap these bags in and out without the hassle of tying off or cutting bags. When you change the bag clips together and can be easily carried to the trash can. Works well in our diaper pail, and does a great job at masking the smells. They work great at blocking out the odor, and easily seal to block the smelliness of the diapers. This stuff is a miracle, holds a ton of nasty diapers, and no poop stank. It's not hard, but there could be a better design, and also emptying the bag isn't easy. Pros: the bags work as intended, they keep the diaper smell neutralized. It's a good value. Cons: they tend to tear when the diaper pail is fullish. Keeps smells inside. A little bit of smell can escape, but it's not major. Doesn't rip either. The top folds shut entirely, keeping the scent in even when removed from the diaper pail. The only issue is that the scent doesn't last nearly long enough, and the top does not stay closed if the diaper bag is on the fuller side. Would be a good idea if they bundled the new baking soda replacement with each box of bags. These diaper bags are amazing. They are extremely durable, have an amazing lavender smell, and keeps the poopy smell locked inside. Easy to put in and take out, no issues dumping diapers, or no worries about the bag ripping. The smell is mostly eliminated until you get half full, then it's game over. Lol. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.